Hey guys, Dirk here at Aussie Powersports. Really quick video today to introduce the all new Airplugger tyre repair kits that we're stocking here at Aussie Powersports. This is a must have if you're on an ATV or a side-by-side vehicle and you're out in the bush. If you've ever had a flat tyre and you're miles from home or you're trying to find different components in your tyre repair kit, this is going to solve all your problems. So basically, everything's included in this one durable outer metal housing. Simply threads apart. Within that, you're going to have your tyre wicks, you're going to have your insertion tool and your clean out tool, and they basically screw back together into the handle to form that tool. So very safe, very durable, and it's interchangeable for the insertion tool and the clean out tool. So all you have to do is do that, clean your holes out, insert your tyre wicks, and you're back on the road, and then you can put everything back in and simply pop that back in the glove box. So really awesome accessory, guys. Jump online, www.aussiepowersports.com, where you can get it from our stockists all around Australia. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.